Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what you have seen since 2020, there is a continuous upside. Okay, and this upside we have seen it is quite volatile. After making a high at a level of around $129, it is continuously on the downside. Okay, one important thing that you have to understand here is that it has been creating a pattern since it made a negative trend. Okay, so whenever it goes high, if you look at this particular trend, it makes a fall. Okay, and this fall is from 30, 40, even 100%. If you look at this particular trend, see, this is the trend after pandemic. It made a sharp fall. Second time it went and crossed this particular high, made a second high, and again a fall we have seen. Third, fourth, fifth. Okay, third, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is the continuous time what we have seen, and after that what, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, a level of $129, after that there is a continuous fall, and after that it tries to move upside but didn't sustain this particular level, but at a level of around 123 it is on the continuous downside. Okay, now if you look at this particular downtrend, it is from second week of June 2022. We have seen the price was continuously moving down. Okay, now if you look at, before we move ahead, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, the price of crude is moving in this particular zone. Okay, and this zone high is, you can say it at around $83. Okay, and this $83 is already a weak resistance, and if you look at the low is at around $73.11. and if you look at this particular level, this is also a weak support. So chances are very high, if the price goes below this level, we can see it can go further down. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above this level, chances are high, because we can see, as I have already explained you, that 77 is a strong support. So chances are high we can see a bounce back can come. But if it goes below this level, then it can come down below a level of 77, and a probability of touching $68 is there, because the second next support, strong support, is $68. So now what we can see in the next 2 days, if you look at this particular trend, what you can see, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are high, yes, it can sustain and can go to a level of $79.72, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $79.7, and from there we can see it can cross a level of $82. This 82 is a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross this particular zone and can touch a level of around $83.24. Okay, and once the price goes above this particular zone, it can go further high and can touch a level of around $85.58. This $85.58 is a resistance, you can say, and this resistance, if it sustain above $85.58, this 85.58, then we can see a bounce back can come and it can go further upside. And once it sustain above 85, chances are very high it can cross this particular zone, and chances of touching $88 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $93.36. Okay, and suppose if it goes above that particular level, then we can see it can go further upside. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, it is moving in this particular zone, and I've already explained you that if the price move in a particular zone for quite some time, then chances are high it can break this particular zone and it can go further upside. So chances are high, if it goes below this level, the next support coming at around $75.31. Okay, after that what we can see, it has come down towards a level of $74.77. The main important thing is that once it moves below 77, chances are very high it can touch a level of 75 to a level of 74.71. Okay, and once it moves below this level, it can cross a level of around $73.11 and can go further low. Okay, and can touch a level of around $70.91. Suppose if the price move below this particular zone, then we can see it can fall further down, and a probability of touching $68 is there. Keep this in mind. Once the price fall below 68, then chances of going further upside is on a higher side. Okay, so now understand something. The mistake that most of the trader and investor do, what they do, that suppose if you are trading, most of the traders lose money, because these are the some of the things which I teach, I'll tell you here. See, if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is $1,000 to $1,500. Risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Now suppose if you took 5 trades, maximum risk you can take is $500, that is 100 per trade. Okay, now this 100 per trade, what is the benefit? That you will not be in a pressure to recover this money. Okay, but in that process 500 will not affect your psychology, rather you can focus on profit, get more profit. Okay, but if you lose 5,000, then you will try to recover it, and in that process you will lose full capital. So I teach how to overcome all these things, when to trade, when to exit, and all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.